Okay, and so now we will start with our second text animation. Let's create a new composition. We will call it as main animation. Width is 1920, height is 180, frame rate is 30, duration is 30 seconds long, and background color is black color. Simply hit OK, go to choose grid and guide option, and simply hit on title selection. Now I'm going to select my text tool, and for this time I'm going to choose Poppins font, which is easily available. And let's delete the stroke, and we are going to choose white color. Now we will type our first text, and I'm going to type motion. Sorry, type motion, and let's decrease the distance between alphabets, and we are going to choose black version of this font. Let's select this, and let's decrease a little bit distance between these alphabets. Now select this text, press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically, press S for scaling option and scale it like this. Then I'm going to select rectangle tool, and I'm going to create one mask on it like this. Then go to the mask options and increase the mask feathers like this. Okay, then select this, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and change the text to design, and select this design text, and we will move this downwards like this. Okay, and adjust it properly like this. Now select both the layers and try to bring this properly at the center. Now select both the layers and hit Ctrl D, and let's bring them at the top, and let's hide this remaining layers. Right click, go to the select first layer, right click, create shape from text. Similarly, we will follow this procedure for motion text. Now select these two red layers which we don't need. We need only stroke layers over here, and over here you need to delete this fill, we don't need that. And we need to add white color for the stroke, and stroke width, let's choose 2 pixels. Same procedure you need to follow for this one also. Delete this and choose white color for the stroke, just like this. And if you think 2 is too much, so let's choose 1 pixels only. Now select this layer, go to the add menu, choose trim path, go to the trim path, and let's make this 0 initially, create one keyframe, zoom in a little bit, go to around 3 seconds, and let's make this 100. So if you see, we will get this kind of animation, but it looks just simple. So let's create one keyframe at offset, go to the last keyframe, and let's make this 1. So we will get this kind of stuff. Same procedure we will follow for this design text also. Go to the add menu, go to the trim path, make this 0 initially, create one keyframe at 3 seconds, let's make this 100. Similarly, create one keyframe, go over here, let's make this 1. Okay, both of them will get. But for the design, what we will go, we will select this offset, right click, go to the keyframe assistance and time reverse keyframe. So what will happen now, they are animating in opposite direction over here, and instead of 1 I'm going to type 2 over here like this. Okay, so this is like that. Then we will select this layers over here. What we are going to do for this one, first of all, let's bring them at the top. And now I'm going to select this design text first. Let's go to the animate menu, and we are going to choose opacity, go to the range selector, and let's make this 0 initially, create one keyframe, go to around 2 seconds, and let's make this 100. And opacity, first of all, make 0. So if you see, you will get this kind of stuff. Now we have to select those keyframe, right click, keyframe assistance, time reverse keyframe, so you will get something like this. Now this is starting from here, but if you want that this should start from this one, then that is also okay. But for this one, what I'm going to do, I want their animation should start randomly. So I'll go to the advanced settings over here, and randomizer I'm going to make it enabled. So what will happen, you will get something like this. Then select those keyframes, hit F9, go to the graph editor, select this graph, by holding shift, move one handle over here and move one handle over here. So we will get this kind of revealing animation. You have to copy this animator, hit Ctrl C, and select this layer and hit Ctrl V. So you will get this animation for both of them. Now over here, first I want this motion stroke should start to animate, and I'm going to take a distance of 10 frames. So I'll go to around 10 frames, and then I'll bring my motion fill text over here. I'll take a distance of 10 frames. I want this design stroke should start to animate over here. Then at 1 second, I want this design text should start to animate over here. So if I hit play now, I'll get this kind of animation. Okay, so this is just a simple animation that you can do with the help of this. Then right click new and create one null object. Select all of these layers, make it apparent with this null. Select this null, press P, alt click on the stopwatch and apply wiggle expression on it and type 3,3. So you will get a little bit of wiggle animation over there. And select both the stroke layers and hit Ctrl D, and let's bring them at the back. Then right click new and create one null object, and select this null object and make it apparent with this null object first, which is this one. Then select these two layers and then make it apparent with this null object. Now select this null object, press S and increase the size of it like this. Okay, and select both the strokes and change the stroke not over here. Select the stroke layers and change the stroke value to 0.2 or let's say 0.1 like this. And you can adjust the size of this text according to your needs like this. Okay, so if you see this now, and if you want, you can move this animation a little bit forward also. It's totally up to you. It's just an extra stuff which is added to our animation. Then after that, right click new and create one adjustment layer. Go to the effect and presets panel. You can apply tint effect over here, and you can change the color of this text over here also, like red, etc, etc. You can choose whatever text color you want. I'm gonna stick with red because it looks awesome. Or instead of doing that, what you can do, you can specifically apply colors to the text layers. For example, this motion text layer over here, example, I'll go to the character menu and I'll choose red color for it. Similarly, for the motion stroke over here, I'm going to choose a red color for the stroke also. So I'll get this kind of result. This looks also cool with the different text colors. You can choose this motion text stroke also this color. Okay, so this looks quite good. Then right click new and then create one adjustment layer. Go to the effect and presets panel and I'm going to apply transform effect on it. This is just an extra procedure. If you think this looks good, then that is also okay. I'm just saying this option. You can add -5 value also, so you will get this kind of animation. Then if you want, then you can apply glow effect over here. Increase the glow threshold to 90, glow radius to 100, and glow intensity to 0.5, or glow radius to 200 also. So you will get this kind of text animation.